What's the meaning of crystal clear? Crystal clear. Crystal clear.
Crystal clear. Crystal clear. The phrase crystal clear is often used to describe something that is exceptionally clear, transparent, and without any ambiguity or confusion. It implies that the thing being referred to is easily understandable, and that there is no room for doubt or misunderstanding. The phrase can be used to describe a range of things, from the clarity of a glass of water to the straightforwardness of a concept. Ultimately, when something is described as crystal clear, it means that there is no mistaking what it is or what it means.